Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, this video is for those learner who wants to speak English but they are not able to take a step out. They are doing all the activity, listening, reading, but coming to the speaking practice, so somewhere they have fear of making mistake, fear of judgment. Yeah, some of they think that what I will talk, and in this way they are not taking a step for a speaking practice. They have app to for a speaking is practice, but they don't use. So tell me, if you don't use, then how you can speak English? You will do all the thing, all the activity, reading, listening, writing, and you won't do speaking. Then how you can speak? You can't speak. So you need to speak. And don't think about fear of judgment, fear of making mistake, what you will talk. If you have if you think that what I will talk, so go and write how to introduce yourself and how to ask about someone, like hi, my name is this one, what's your name, where are you from, some what's your favorite color, food, some question. Go and watch the YouTube video and write. So in this way at least you can talk 10 and 15 minutes. Okay, try to, you will talk. But if you have fear of mistake and fear of judgment, and because of this you are not using any speaking practice app, yeah, you are not speaking, you are not doing a speaking practice, so you are doing big mistake. Because for speaking you have to speak, then you can speak. So stop thinking about fear, fear of judgment and fear of making mistake and shyness. Stop feeling shyness, and think more than more than think about these things. Think about your dream, about your goal, why you want to learn English. If you learn, then what you will achieve, what you will do. Think about those things, then you will get motivation, one courage to talk, to do a speaking practice. If you think that, oh, if I talk and maybe I will make mistake, yeah, that person will, what will think I, if I want to speak nice way. So in this way you will never never you will take a step for a speaking practice, and you will be same, you will be remain condition. You will never speak. But if you, instead of thinking this, if you think that if I speak, so I will learn something, and why I'm learning, if I learn, if I learn English, if I will speak English, what I will achieve. So here you will get motivation and courage to do a speaking practice. So think about this one, and don't wait. Okay, don't feed your negative thought, feed your positive thought. Think on your positive thought, not negative thought, and start speaking from today. Go and download a speaking app, and there try to talk at least 10 and 15 minutes. If you don't know what you should speak, so firstly, you need to write introduction, how you can introduce yourself. Hi, what's your, my name is this one, I am from here, I do this one. In this way, and same question you can write for your co-partner, and you can ask. And you have to think that you know you you don't need to think worry, you don't need to worry, because you are going to talk with one stranger person. Okay, not with a non person, a stranger person. So if you make mistake, no, he will, he won't come to you to tell your mistake, because you have to practice on app firstly. There you will, you will feel that nobody will judge me, nobody will, laugh at me, because you will both, will be a stranger for each other. So start your speaking. Don't wait, because time is going, and once time, goes, like went, it will never return to you. So take care, take care of your time, and don't wait. Start speaking. And what if you make mistake, then what? अगर आप गलती करते हो तो क्या होगा? कुछ भी नहीं होगा। गलती करके ही तो सीखोगे ना। If you make mistake, then you will learn something. If you don't make mistake, then how you can learn something? You can't. So feel free to make mistake. Don't, pressurize your mind. Don't dominate your mind by those thought. Feel that okay, अगर मैं गलती करती हूँ, करता हूँ, इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, गलती करके ही सीखेंगे। ओके, अगर मुझे कोई जज करता है, करने दो, करने दो। अगर जज करता है, अगर अच्छे लोग होंगे तो मुझे गाइड करेंगे, जो अच्छे लोग नहीं होंगे वो वही मुझे जज करेंगे। तो जो अच्छे होंगे वो मुझे गाइड करेंगे कि भाई ये करो वो करो, लेकिन जो अच्छे नहीं होंगे वही जज करेंगे। तो एंड साइनेस क्यों फील करना है, क्यों करना है? आपके लिए न्यू लैंग्वेज है, आप पहली बार सीखने जा रहे हो, तो क्यों साइनेस फील करना है? अगर आपको कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, हिंदी में बोलो, वहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा है पूछ लो, पूछने में क्या गलती है? मैंने भी पूछा है। आई हैव ऑल्सो आस्क्ड when I was doing practice over the app. That time I didn't know how to speak English. In Hindi I used to talk, and I have asked so many times to my co-learner what I can and how I can say this line in English. So little bit, be like what is seamless in case of learning new thing. Okay, then you can learn. Here no need to feel shyness, and no need to feel, that what people will think, what they will think. You लोगों के बारे में क्यों सोचना? जो लोग आज आज आपको जज करेंगे, हंसेंगे आप पे, कल वही लोग जो है आपकी तारीफ भी करेंगे, आपसे पूछेंगे कि आपने इंग्लिश कैसे सीखा। सो डोंट थिंक अबाउट पीपल आर गोइंग टू लर्न फर्स्ट टाइम। So you don't need to think anything. Or just you have to focus on your goal. You want to speak English, and keeping this thought in your mind, start your speaking today. Don't wait, because once time will goes, it will never return for you. So start your speaking today. Don't wait. Okay, and feel free to make mistake. Don't carry of fear, judgment. And when you are lacking somewhere, ask to your co-partner, and learn this language with enjoyment, with interest, not with stress. So in this way, if you learn with this mindset, if you practice with this mindset, fastly you will grow and learn this language. So remove your hesitation and fear, eliminate it, and start your speaking practice today from now. And really you will speak this language, because if you take a step, then you can go ahead. If you don't, you will be remain same where you are. आप जहाँ हो वहीं के वहीं रहोगे, लेकिन अगर आप एक कदम बढ़ाओगे तो ही आगे बढ़ोगे। So keeping this thing in your mind, start your speaking practice from today, and really you will speak this language sooner or later. So I hope you like this video, and this video will motivate you to start your speaking journey, start your embark your speaking journey. And so you know like. If you then like, subscribe and share. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.